if you feel that your listing on Etsy looks exactly like everyone else, you're not the only one with this problem. Etsy is one of the most crowded marketplaces online, and when buyers are scrolling through hundreds of results, a static image just does not stop the scroll anymore. But videos do. So listings with a video get up to 300% higher click-through rate than the normal one. But yet most sellers still don't have one, because most people think you need a camera, studio setup, and editing software, and lots of time and effort to make it happen. But actually now you can easily create a professional listing video of any of your products in literally minutes and build all other listing visuals in the same workflow using Kittl video listing templates. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. We're going to take a real product, use ready-made templates to generate videos in seconds, and also I'll show you how to build a listing video from scratch. So if you sell on Etsy and you want your listing to actually convert, stick around, this one is for you. So once you sign up or log into your account, your dashboard will look similar to this one, and right in front of you you will find the video templates that are dedicated to generate video listings of your product. We are going to explain how these templates would help you generate attractive video content in a matter of seconds without even writing a single prompt. So let's choose any of these templates. I'm going to choose this one as an example. So once you open the template, you will end up with something similar to this setup. So let's zoom in a little bit to understand what we have in front of us. So the idea behind this video template setup is to place a product image and automate the generation of 3 videos out of the placed product. And since this is an automated system that is already made up for us, all what we need to do is to replace the default product and generate 3 videos with the image of our product instead of the default ones. And by doing this, we can have 3 video listings in a matter of minutes. So the left image shows the product, and on the right side you can see 3 handles coming out of this product image, each one showing a video of the product with different effect or different style. If you press on the play button of any of the video, you will see the effect of each of these videos. And the purpose of this template is to make the generation of these videos faster for your product by just using one simple image. And once you generate your own videos, you can instantly download them and add them to your product listing on Etsy or on any other print-on-demand website or your own e-commerce website. So if you press on any of the video templates and open the prompt box, you can see the prompt that was used to generate this exact video and the setting of this video generation. But since we do not need to do this ourselves, we are going to just regenerate the videos as we are going to see. So every time you press on the template, you can see exactly what was written to generate a similar prompt. But again, we don't need these prompts, at least for now. And if we switch to the right side, we can see a similar setting to the one that we just saw, but this one has an extra step. We can start using this setup if we do not have our product placed on a mock-up image. So we are going to start with a flat design. You can skip this first step if you already have your design placed on a mock-up. But since I don't have it on a mockup, I'm going to generate a mockup first. So press on the upload button and add your design or mockup image to the infinite canvas. So this is my design. By the way, this design was created on the Kittl platform, and you will find a video on my channel showing you how to create this design using the pen tool. So I'm going to select the design, and while the design is selected, within the prompt box, pressing the remix image, and I'm going to write add the design to a flat white t-shirt with the design on the front, plain green background, and press on the generate. I did not change the model. I left it on the Nano Banana Pro, and the ratio is 1:1, and I selected the variation to be 2 images, and within a couple of seconds I'm going to get my design placed on a mock-up image. So these are the 2 results. I like the one on the left, looks more realistic. So I'm going to delete the other one. And now we're ready to get started with the template. If you already have your product image, then you don't need to do what I did. Simply start following up from this part. And now I'm going to use my mock-up image and replace the default product image with mine. just place the mockup image with the default one added to the artboard, and now you have your own product placed. Press on the product in a scene, and again you can see the product, the prompt that was used, but don't do anything. Just press on the regenerate button at the bottom, and this will regenerate or create a similar image using your own t-shirt design and your own product image. And again, this is the one that was generated, exactly similar to the product in the scene, but now with my own design. So to generate the first video that is on the first linked artboard, again, we're not going to do anything. Just select the artboard and press the regenerate button to have this zoom in effect on the t-shirt. Just select the template, and you can see that your product is placed as the first frame. So press on the regenerate button for each of these templates. Just select the template, open, and this will open the prompt box. So all you need to do is press on the regenerate button, and now within a couple of seconds I'm going to get 3 video generations of my design, very similar to the default ones of the template. And here I get the 3 videos generated with my design. So just press on the play button to see the effect placed on your design with the mockup image. So to download any of these generated videos, you can press on the flatten button at the top to create a copy of the video, and then press on the download button at the top, and this will download the video to your desktop or to your PC. For this part, I'm going to use a different template that has a start frame and end frame. This is also one of the templates that you will find under the video template section. So what we are going to do is, we would like the guy who's sitting on the chair in the video to have our own design. So we need to replace our design on the start frame image and on the end frame image. So the fastest way to do it is to select the start frame, press on the remix button. This will add the image to your prompt box, and then press on the upload button, add your logo. So now we have the logo added to the prompt box in addition to the start frame, and I'm going to write replace the logo on the front t-shirt with the attached logo, and I'm going to leave it on 2 generations in the Nano Banana Pro, but let's change the aspect ratio to 2:3 and press on generate. We're going to do the same with the end frame image. Select the end frame image, add your logo to the prompt box, and write your prompt, replace the design on the back of the t-shirt with the attached design, and press on generate. And these are the images that I got for the front and for the back. Now all what we need to do is to replace the start frame with our generated image, and replace the end frame with one of our generated images. Then select the video artboard or the video board and press on the regenerate button to regenerate a video with your start and end images, and this is the final result. Now the video has your design on the front and on the back of the t-shirt, and press on the flatten to flatten the video, and then press on the quick export to export your video in MP4 format. Now let's assume we would like to create our own template from the beginning, similar to what we have seen. All what we need to do first is to create an artboard. Press on the right click and choose an artboard, and this will add an artboard to your infinite canvas. Select your design and bring it to the front, and make sure that it is placed on the artboard. And if you select your artboard, you will see this dot or this node here. If you press on it, you will get to choose to add an image board or a video board or a mockup. So if you don't have a mockup image, you can press on the add an image board, and as you can see, an AI image board is now connected to our design artboard, and within the prompt box we can see that our design is added to the prompt box as a first frame. And I'm going to place this prompt, add this design as shown in the reference image, hanging on a simple hanger suspended from a thin metal chain. chain. I'm here adding a prompt to create a mockup according to my own style, but this time the prompt is important because I'm using it to generate or to create the template that I'm going to use with any product later. So just describe how you would like your design to be on the mockup, and you can choose between the image generation models. So I'm choosing the Nano Banana Pro, leaving the aspect ratio. So let's change it to 3x4 and press on the generate button. So the mockup image looks perfect. Again, select the board, and this time I'm going to press on the add a video board, and this enables us to generate a video. Choose the time of the video. I'm going to choose 12 seconds, and you can choose between different video generation models. Each one has its own pros and cons. Some are fast, some are slower, some generate more or take more credits. So I'm going to choose the default one, the Kling Video 3.0, and I'm going to add my prompt. This is the prompt that I'm going to use just to create a nice effect. A natural looking man in his mid-30s enters the frame calmly from the side, wearing a tank top, walks toward the hanging t-shirt. I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and the video to 12 seconds in time, and press on the generate button. And while we're waiting, we can also press on the AI video board again. But this time I'm choosing the Cadence 2.0 fast and the aspect ratio to 16:9, 12 seconds. I'm using the same prompt, and I'm going to press on the generate button, and these are the two final videos. And again, you can download them similar to what we have done before by pressing on the flatten button and then download each video in an MP4 format. So this is how you can create your own template and replace the product image every time you have a different design or product that you would like to use in the video template to generate templates instantly. So this is how you can build an entire video listing library with a single image using Kittl. If you want to try it out for yourself, use the link in the description to access the Kittl platform. And if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I'll see you in the next one.